Hi guys, good morning. Tsaka good evening para dyan sa mga taga-Pilipinas, okay? So, meron kasi kaming tinatawag dito na 21 days video challenge, okay? So, for those who didn't know me yet, who do not know me yet, my name is Jose Malazarde. Isa rin akong miyembro ng Tuktok, okay? So, in my previous video, I have promised na bibigyan ko kayo ng mga idea on how we can maximize our commission or bonus from Talk, right? But today, I don't think I will do that. But still, I'm going to do that on my next video. But today, excited ako kasi dumating na yung Visa card natin. No? If you all know this, ito na. Okay. So, ito ngayon ang i-share ko sa inyo sa video na to. Kasi very important po ito para maliwanag sa inyong lahat. Okay? So before I proceed, kung kayo ay hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dito sa channel natin, bagong-bago pa, please do subscribe and then click the notification button. In that way, updated kayo dito sa mga video na ipopost ko in the next episodes kasi marami akong mga ideas na i-share sa inyo, hopefully na makakatulong sa inyo. Okay? Kasi isa lang naman ang purpose natin dito, bakit nagne-negosyo tayo. Number one is yung income natin, di ba? Extra income. Okay? And we'll go from there. Kasi pag meron tayong mga pera, madali na lang lahat. Okay? Kung ano mang gusto natin gawin, marami tayong aspiration sa buhay. Bibili ba tayo ng bahay, mag-invest ba tayo, or bili tayo ng kotse, or we can send our kids, to universities or sa school. Madali na lang yon, okay? But first things first, paano tayo kikita? Okay? It doesn't guarantee you, pag nagnegosyo ka ngayon, ay talagang yayaman ka. Okay? It depends on the reason why. Okay? Bakit ka nagnegosyo? Anong gusto mong ma-achieve? Okay? Now, hindi lang yung, gusto kong mag-retire young. Hindi yan, kasi napakamalaking ano yan eh. Hindi yan specific. So, ask a favor for yourself, guys. Ano, yung dream niyo, ano yung specific talaga. Say for example, okay, I want to accumulate 10,000 Canadian dollars or sa pesos. Gusto kong magka-income ako ng 1 million pesos. Okay? Sa negosyo ng Tok or Show My King, that would be easier to imagine. Kasi pwede naman nating mag-recruit tayo ng siguro ilang tao yun. Sabihin nating international franchise, ibebenta mo yan. Then if you get 10, so may 75,000 ka. Diba? Tapos may mga ano pa tayo, leadership bonus, at saka iba-iba pang mga ano natin. Malaki yun. Diba? Kaya lang, ito ngayon ang key pag nagnegosyo tayo. Now, how are we going to ensure that these people that we bring in ay magkakaroon ng income? Okay? That it will work for them. Kasi pag nag-recruit lang tayo ng recruit, tapos wala silang result, what does that mean? Yung sarili ko lang iniisip ko, right? I mean, to me, there's no issues about recruiting kasi I can do it. That's easy. That's the easy part. I mean, I enjoy doing that. But my concern is people. Okay? So ngayon, share ko sa inyo anong nangyari dito. Okay? I'm not gonna say neutral tayo kasi pag nag-judge tayo sa isang kumpanya or nag-judge tayo sa isang kaibigan natin, it's not good. Okay? Ano lang tayo? Kumbaga, we'll take these things as learning experience at saka we'll see this, we'll treat it in a high road, right? So ganun siguro ang suggestion ko sa inyo. Okay, ngayon, di na natin patatagal, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong nangyayari dito pag ginamit mo itong Visa card mo. Okay, so let me share with you my screen. Awesome. There we go. Okay, but before we proceed, I want to define what is ancillary charges. Okay. Kasi may experience ako, nagtatrabaho sa kasi akong salesperson. Okay. I've been doing this for more than 20 years. So meron akong experience in industrial sales. Okay. So ang tinitingnan namin when we do evaluations in companies or industrial companies, yung mga ancillary charges. Okay. Ito po yung definition. Okay. Any cost or other expense involved in a transaction but not directly related to it. For example, one may see a concert ticket advertised for $13, no sales tax, but actually you spent $30 on the ticket because of convenience and processing fees. Those fees are collectively called ancillary charges. Okay. Now, bakit ko define ito sa inyo? Kasi ito yung nakikita ko dito sa Visa card natin. Okay. Ngayon, I'll stop sharing that. And then I'll share with you itong tinatawag natin na JC Premier Wallet. Okay. So, excited ako na matanggap itong Visa kasi I have $72,000 or $75,000 sitting in my account. Okay. Since 2021, I stopped recruiting kasi busy ako sa work ko, busy ako, maraming mga projects, di ba? Tsaka, meron na akong mga nakikita na dapat, I feel like I'm not efficient in making the people that I, brought into this business getting success. Okay? Pag-usapan natin yan a little bit later, but ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung anong nangyari. Okay? Now, nag-encash ako the other night, okay? $75,000 or $72,000, something like that. Okay, excited ako. Now, little did I know na meron palang charges. Okay, now gusto ko makita nyo to. Okay, 3/31/2021 Visa card. Ano yung AED? Parang sa ano to United Arab Emirates yata. Yung encashment rate 12.90%. Can you believe it? By withdrawing 72,000 or 75,000 pesos, you will get charged of 13,849.44. What is that? Okay? Para kang bumili ng franchise niyan, di ba? Isang franchise na maliit. Okay? Now, kung imaginein mo, if I have, say for example, 72,000 pesos in my account, siguro ilang tao yan na na-recruit ko? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sabihin natin 7 or 6. So, ibig sabihin, if I recruited 6, yung isa doon, hindi counted. Kasi, tinatanggal to sa pera mo. Di ba? You're not buying yet. Now, my question is, okay, yung pera ko pupunta na sa Visa card ko ngayon. Ngayon gagamitin ko dito sa Amerika. Ang tanong, magkano kaya ang charge ng bank card na to every transaction? Hindi kaya magcha-charge ito ng 5,000 every transaction? $100? Ha? Isipin nyo, ginawa nyo itong negosyo para kumita, okay? You are abroad, you are here in America, and yet you can't even expense this because this is not a registered company here in America or in any parts of the world, only in the Philippines. And we're doing this by believing that we get a restaurant franchise, online. All right? So, kayo na lang ang humusga, okay? 13,000. So now, paano ko palakihin itong pera na to? May paraan pa rin yan. Kaya lang ito, malaking pera to for Filipinos. Okay, 13,000. Imagine, pag may 1 million ka dyan, magkano kaya ang makakaltas? So ngayon, I did the math. Ito, hindi ko kulang na 19%. Hindi siya totoong 12.9%. 19 to 20% po ang kinakaltas dito. By just moving your money from your JC wallet to Visa card, you're gonna pay a lot of money. And that's what I call ancillary charges. Okay? Kasi pag bago ka, sabihin, yeah, my Visa card, this is included in the presentation. May Visa card ka, yeah. You're gonna have this, man. You can use this worldwide. Anywhere in the world, you have Visa from the company. And yet, by just using this, you get charged $13, 13,000 pesos. Man, I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything here. Okay? So, isa yun. Okay? Ngayon, i-share ko ulit sa inyo yung board. Okay? Okay. So now, pag nagnegosyo ka dito, isa na i-consider mo is yung tinatawag natin na readiness ng market. Okay? Market. Okay. Importante ito, market. Okay. What are we selling? Online shop links. Online na lahat, right? Sabihin natin, kaya online na lahat. No problem. That's a good stuff, di ba? Ano yun? Improvement yan. Maganda yan. The question is the market ready? Okay. In America, in Europe, accepted yun, di ba? Lahat ng tao, syempre, kasi malaki yung lugar. I mean, there's no time to walk or, yeah, it's a big city for sure. Lahat, online delivery, no problem. But think about this, Philippines. Are you guys ready to do this in the Philippines? Really? Now, shall we say you order online? Perfect, okay? But now, are you ready to pay extra amount of money for delivery? Magkano yung delivery? 250 pesos. Sabihin na lang natin 200 pesos. Gagastos ka ba doon sa delivery na yan? Kahit malapit. Maybe not. But this may be an excuses, di ba? If you're doing this business. But this is also a reality. So yung market nyo dyan, ready ba? Tama? So another thing too, reasons. Why are you doing this? Okay? Are you doing this because you want to earn money or you want to eat food when you're hungry? It's online or what? If your reason is to gain money or to earn money, mag-iisip po tayo. Okay? Kasi sabihin natin, magaling ka sa recruiting. Okay? But how many people are not good at recruiting? Okay? Ang tanong, is there products that we are offering to people? Yes, there is. Yeah. But where is the bulk of commission? Okay? Tatlo kasi yun. Okay? In any network marketing company, tandaan nyo, may tatlong paraan yan. Okay? Para yung tubo. Ganyan. Okay? Ano ba? Nasaan ba yung commission nyo? Okay? Pagpasok mo, meron bang fast start bonus? Ha? Second, sa kalagitnaan ng giyera sa trabaho mo, meron bang bonus na malaki? Or sa dulo may bonus. You work hard and then you will get paid after a few years. Kasi kailangan mo i-compound yung effort mo, yung mga PV points or whatever para kumita ka ng malaki. Meron mga ganyan, okay? So if you are not familiar with that, baka ma-discourage ka lang that you're involving in this type of business tapos hindi ka kikita kasi it may not be presented to you, okay? But you are in the right step, okay? Involving yourself into this type of business, meaning based from the cash flow quadrant, you are in the right side of the quadrant, which is business, okay? Ayusin mo lang, tingnan mo lang yung kumpanya if the company is for you, the products is for you, is it working? Like say for example, shop links, okay? It's gonna ask you this, how much sales did you get, or did you have since you joined, the company? Okay, may benta ba dyan sa shop links mo sa mga pagkain or wala? Pag sinabi mong wala, and yet you've been working with the company for a month or 2 months or 3 months, you get to think. You get to decide fast because time is money. Okay, if you're not getting any sales, and yet you are promoting your shop links almost to everybody, you're spending a lot of money in your Facebook ad, wala kang result. Ibig sabihin, the product is not working. I'm sorry. Okay? So now what is working is the recruiting. Okay? When you recruit, you get big money, and then after that, it's died. It's dead. Okay? Ito ngayon ang tinatawag na fast start bonus. Dito ka kikita. Okay? Yeah, malaki yung pera mo. Maganda yan, di ba? Now ngayon, ano mangyayari doon sa mga taong ni-recruit mo? Gone. Di ba? Pag nakapag-recruit sila, okay lang. Pag wala, wala. So, what's the purpose of doing this type of business? Alam kong kikita ka pa rin kasi pwede mo siyang mas-scale, di ba? Assuming I got 10 people, then I have 75,000 if they buy international franchises. If they bought Philippine franchise, they get 5,000. So 50,000 pa rin yun. 10 people, 50,000. But after that, you don't earn. Okay? Believe it or not, guys, ito yung isa sa pinaka-importanting tip ko sa inyo. The reason why we're doing this business, okay, it's not traditional. It's something different kind of business because yung tinatawag nating residual income, passive income. Okay? Ginagawa mo ngayon, later on, meron ka pa rin income. Okay? Now, in a salesperson's perspective, ito ganito. Every month, meron kang quota, di ba? Or target na i-achieve mo. Okay? On the next month, say for example, nag-perform ka ng 100%. Okay? On the next month, do you think na counted pa yung effort mo for the first month? No, hindi na. Babalik pa rin yun sa zero. Okay? Ganyan ang sales. Okay? Imagine you're doing that for 20 years. Okay? Every month, back to zero, back to zero, back to zero. Okay? Now, in this setup, in this system, it eliminates that feature. Okay? Ngayon, ito maganda na. Pag hindi kayo salesperson kasi hindi ito maintindihan. In this business, you work hard today, okay? You have sales. And then on the next month, yung volume mo nandyan pa rin. Okay? Nandyan pa rin. Now, say for example, if you have more people using the products and you get commissions, okay? You will get commissions multiple times. Okay? From your one-time approach. Parang ganun yun, di ba? Oh. So, you talk to a person, hey, ganito, this product works like this, okay? And then he bought to the product. Tatanggap ka ngayon ng commission. Now, what if the next month, yung tao na yun, nagugustuhan yung produkto, bibili pa ulit. Hindi mo na siya in-approach, right? But every time na bibili siya, kikita ka. That is the beauty of this industry, okay? Not necessarily the company that I'm referring to you, okay? Because meron din silang tinatawag na passive income, which is doon ka sa mga wellness products nila, di ba? But if you are in this country, in this part of the world, a lot of headache, you're gonna pay for shipping, but the main thing is if you earn money already, somehow the company will get it from you too by charging you ancillary charges. Ano yun? Yung mga fees, grabe. O, pag nag-sponsor ka, may nakuha kang isa, watch out, 830, babayaran mo yun. Pinakamaliit yun. Okay? Now, if you shop using the shop link, you get charged as well. So, lahat may charges yan. Hindi yan for free. Oo. So, this is only for awareness. And in that way, you will be aware and you will decide for yourselves. Okay? Now, ngayon, pangatlo, mag-isip kayo. Ano bang main reason na bumili kayo ng franchise or nagnegosyo kayo? Diba, money? Okay. money. Now, ano bang pwede mong gawin? Say for example, meron kang $200 in your account right now. Okay. Di mo paano. Ano bang gagawin mo dyan? Bili mo ng franchise? It's up to you. O mag-enroll ka ng mga networking companies na meron mga wonderful products and services. It's up to you. But the main thing is, what's your goal? Ano bang gusto mong i-achieve in a month? Gusto mo ba magkaroon ka ng 1 million pesos after a year? O sa next birthday mo, mayroong 1 million ka na sa account mo? Or what? Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo? Ano lang, 10,000 lang, okay ka na, and then happy, tapos inom na, tapos balik na ulit, trabaho, ano pa gusto mo? Okay. Now, for those of you here na gusto nyong mag-improve ang buhay nyo, meron ako isi-share sa inyo. Okay. Now, ito ngayon yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na yung 72,000 or 75,000 pesos ko in my tok-tok, tok-tok income ko na sinasabi natin 72,000. Yun kasi ang gusto kong gamitin para i-invest ko para mag-grow siya. But I'm not trying to win something here or I'll show you this, guys. Okay, 1 second. I'm not trying to force my way out here, but I'm just sharing with you ideas. Okay. What is it that we are doing? I am doing right now about investing. Okay. I'm going to show you this. Okay. Now, okay, I'll share this to you in the way you'll be able to see. Okay. Madali na lang tayo. Okay, ganito. So right now, this is an idea, okay? But this is really true. Okay. What if you gain that control? Okay. What if sabihin mo sa sarili mo, okay, I'm going to manage my resources myself. Okay. Last money ko, $200. Mag-dollars na lang tayo kasi nandito ako. Okay. Now, i-compute yan dyan sa Pilipinas, that's probably will give you, sabihin na natin 10,000 pesos. Okay. Ngayon, do you know that yung $200 mo, pwede mo yung i-grow to 1 million, okay, in just less than a year, okay? And I'll show you the formula, okay? So the point is, grow your $200 by at least 3%, okay? Lagay natin, okay? Now, how many days in a year? 365, diba? So, excluding Saturday and Sunday, sabihin natin meron kang 208 days, okay? 208 days na pwede mong gamitin yung araw mo. Maybe 3 minutes of your time, 5 minutes of your time, or 10 minutes, or sabihin natin 30 minutes of your time for the next 208 days. Okay? Parang nag-i-exercise ka lang. Okay? Now, what do you want to do with your money? Do you withdraw it or invest it? Okay? My suggestion is don't withdraw any of your money. Okay? 100% put it back to your investment. What does it mean? Makakaroon ka ngayon ng snowball effect. Okay? Based doon sa how many days ang sinet mo. Okay. Do you want to include the weekends? Sabihin mo, wag na. Diba? No. Okay, ngayon, calculate natin. And this is our plan, guys, that are really working. And in fact, we have created thousands of millionaires in North America right now. Now we are going to Asia. Okay. So, pag tinatanong mo ako, bakit naman 3%? Pwede ba ang malaki yan? Yes, pwede. But this is only conservative. We don't want to promise you the moon, okay? Actually, it's not we, you, yourself. Okay? So ngayon, by just using $200 or 10,000 pesos, so we say, okay, put it in your investment. Ganito ngayon yung for The next 208 days, excluding Saturday and Sunday, so you will retain family time, your lifestyle. Do you know that in less than a year, yung 200,000 mo, $200 mo, aabot siya ng $93,000. Okay, if you started today, April, in January 18, 2022, you're gonna have a total of 93,377. How much is that in peso? Okay, okay. 1 second. Kano kaya yan sa peso? 93 CAD and Philippine peso. How much is that? Okay, guys, it's 3.5 million. Imagine that. Your 10,000 pesos, magiging 3.5 million in a matter of May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Practically 9 months. Okay? How does it happen? And here you go. Okay. So this is the reason why Forex exchange, okay, Forex is a $6.6 trillion industry daily. Okay, and nobody knows yet about this. Okay, in any book that you can read, Robert Kiyosaki pushes everybody to be awake and take a look at the investment side of it. Okay, now majority sa atin ang alam lang is, okay, I want to invest, I'm gonna go to my bank. No. Okay? Kasi sila ngayon ang gagawa nito, sila ngayon ang magkukolekta ng money mo. Okay? Yung $200 mo, if you let the bank do it, they're gonna get this type of money, okay? 90,000, they're gonna get that, and they will return to you how much? Kasi 200 lang yan, times 2% mo. Bibigay sa'yo, swerte ka na pag umabot ng $250 yan after a year. Okay, but the bank got your money. Okay, look, 93,000 guys. It's time to wake up. Okay, now this is probably the first time you haven't do the you saw this. Okay, but this is what we call the compounding daily effect, interest. Okay, now how are we going to do that? Okay, so simply lang. Okay, if you want to get a piece doon sa Forex, which is a $6.6 trillion a day business, man, this is the perfect time for you. The good thing about this is control mo yung income mo, scalable yung income mo, hindi ka na nagre-rely dun sa mga downlines mo, dun sa mga produkto mo na minsan ay out of stock, at saka yung company magbibigay ka ng 13,000 every withdrawal, man, that money is supposed to be your money that you can grow. You know, sky's the limit. Kasi imagine mo, 10,000, abot ng 3.5 million. How about yung 13,000 na binayad mo dyan sa JC Premier na yan? Sa pag-transfer lang pag-encash mo lang ng pera from your JC wallet to your Visa card. Man, that's a lot of money, okay? So, guys, this is an idea that we are willing to teach you. Okay, it's a great company. We'll teach you how to do this. We call it high frequency trading. There's a technique. I mean, if you don't have any knowledge, no problem. But hey, you will be able to trade with the expert. Okay, you will be able to trade live doon sa mga mga beast traders natin. And imagine that. Now, in the next video, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung live trading ko kung paano ka mananalo, okay? Imagine in 3 minutes, you can win $100 depende sa pera mo. Okay. Now, our coaches here, because they have this, they started with $500 in their account. Now, they have 13 million in their account. Every trade they get like 90,000, 120,000, 250,000. Okay? And ito yung tinuturo sa atin is risk management. Okay? you can only trade 2% in your account. Ngayon, balik doon sa question. Bakit 3%? Pwede bang 8% yan? Yes, pwede. Kaya lang, yung 8 kasi, i-divide mo into 2. So, ano yun? 4 times. So, ibig sabihin, 4 times ka mag-trade sa isang araw. Okay? So, sa isang trade, 3 minutes yun. So, ibig sabihin, you need 12 minutes for you to get 8% growth doon sa pera mo. Okay. Now, can you spend 12 minutes to attain that? Maybe yes, maybe not. It's up to you. Okay. Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo paano pag 8% yan. Meaning, 4 na beses ka magti-trade in a day. Okay. So, imagine this. Pag 8% yung $200 mo or 10,000 pesos, magiging ito. See? Now, bakit? Anong nangyari? Ba't malaki yung pera? Guys, see, first day. O, syempre, 200 ka. Nag-trade ka ng 2%, 2%, 2%, 8%. 8% ng 200 is $16, right? So now, on the next day, i-trade mo ulit yung 216 mo. Ano ngayon yung 8% ng 216? Di ba? Tapos nanalo ka ulit. There you go. There you go. So compounding, guys, this is the secret, to success. See? Now, nasaan yung pera mo? Wala sa company ko, nasa posisyon mo. Okay. Diyan kasi ngayon sa internet, maraming nag-aalok dyan eh. Okay. They will get your money, like 10,000 pesos, and invest it into crypto, into Forex, blah, blah, blah. And then after that, they're gonna give you, okay, hey, congratulations, you gain 3,000 pesos in a month. Tapos mas tuwang-tuwa ka. But you haven't, no, you didn't know na yung 10,000 mo, ininvest na nung broker or yung tao na nag-aalok sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, you just got how much percentage? Maybe 2% of your money, and he got the whole thing. Kasi, wala ka namang ginawa eh. Siya naman ang naggawa sa'yo. Siya naman ang nag-trade. Hindi ka naman ikaw. Right? So, they are not teaching you how to trade because if they do, then you gain control of yourself and they can't get anything from you. Ganun naman ang negosyo dito sa internet. Diba? Maraming kaalok sa'yo. But our company will teach you in a different way. What is it? We'll teach you how to trade. We'll teach you to be independent on how to trade. In that way, you can pass it to your son, to your daughter, to your kids, to your relatives, to your whatever it is that you want to do, to your friends. You can pass it along. Okay. So yun lang. Siguro I will keep it to 10 minutes. Baka naging 20 minutes na itong presentation ko. But guys, if you like my video, please subscribe. Promise, I'll get better next time. Kasi wala pa akong editor, bago tong laptop ko. But anyways, thank you so much for your time. I hope I have provided you enough value about the topic for today. Okay? Watch out. The next video will be showing you about my trading platform and how we're gonna achieve this 3%. And that's all. Have a great day and God bless. Bye for now.